Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are good at your home. I, Kismat Kumari, your mathematics teacher, welcome you all to my online classes. Today we are going to discuss about two topics, that is tens and hundreds. So let's start.
Let us take out one part out of it. What fraction of the whole disk does this one part represent? 1/10. Here is one strip. It is also divided into 10 equal parts. One part of it is colored red. This colored part also represents 1/10. We write 1/10 also as 0.1. If we take out its two parts, what would these represent? 2/10. We write 2/10 also as 0.2. Here are 10 strips. Each is divided into 10 parts. Look at the color parts of each and the fraction it indicates. If all the 10 parts of the strip are colored, what fraction does it represent? How do we represent it? It is nothing but a whole strip. So, we write it as Thus, a part of the whole can be represented in two forms, namely fraction form and a decimal form. In 0.1, the dot is read as a decimal point. How will you write the colored parts of this kind? Can we write it as? Yes. But in this chapter, we shall write it as.
First, we will learn that what is the meaning of tens. Okay, for this we are taking one example. Now, I am having one box which is divided into 10 equal parts. Okay, out of this 10 part, if I will shade one part, so what is the fraction of the shaded part? It must be equal to 1/10, or in decimal form we can write 0.1. Correct? Now, if I will shade two parts, then what is the fraction of this shaded part? This will be 2/10. And in decimal form, we can write here 0.2. Okay. If I will shade 5 parts, so what will be the fraction? It will be 5/10, and in decimal form we can write 0.5. Now we are having one whole part and two shaded parts out of 10. So we will write this one in fractional form, one whole part and two shaded part out of 10. Or in decimal form we can write 1 is your whole part, so we will write here 1, and 2/10 can be written as this, so we will write here 0.2. So we can write this one in this form also. Okay, and this is called decimal numbers. Okay, so when a whole part is divided into 10 equal parts, then each part is represented as tens. Okay, for example, or in other words, we can say all the fraction having 10 as a denominator is called tens. For example, 2/10, 17/10, 3/10, 5/10, 21/10, or etc. Okay, now let's solve some questions. So in this question, we have to write these decimals number in words. Okay. So first we will write whole part. After that we will write decimal part. So what is a whole part here? Here whole part is your 0. So we will write here 0. Then point. 0.4. We will write here 4. But we can write this decimal number in another form also. What's that? Have a look. So we can write like this also. 0. First we will write the whole part. After that 0 and. We will write here and. Then 4 tenths. What is the meaning of this? 4 tenths. So we can write like this also in a decimal form. So that's why we are using here 0 and 4 tenths. Okay. Now another example. 2.6. In another way, we can also write like this. 2. And after that we will write these part together. How? 2 and 6 tenths. Okay. If we will write here point, then we will write the only number. Okay. But if we will write here and, so with and we must have to write here tenths. Okay. We will discuss about 100. For this, we are taking a box having 100 equal parts. Okay. If I will shade one part out of 100, then what will be the fraction of this shaded part? It must be equal to 1 by 100. 1 is your given part, or you can say shaded part, and 100 is your whole part. Okay. So in decimal form, we can represent this fraction as 0.01. Okay. If I will shade 2 box out of 100, so what will be the fraction? 2 by 100. And in decimal form, we can write as 0.02. Okay. If I will shade 11 parts out of 100, so what will be the answer? In fraction form, we will write 11 by 100, and in decimal form, we will write 0.11. Okay. Now we are having one whole part and 5 shaded part out of 100. So how we will write this in fractional form? So we will write here one whole part and this 5 shaded part out of 100. And in decimal form, we will write here whole part. Then 5 by 100 can be written as 0.05. So we will write here 0.05. So this is called your decimal number. When a whole part is divided into 100 equal parts, then each part is represented as hundreds, or you can say 100. So the fraction having 100 as a denominator is also called 100. Here are the few examples like 8 by 100, 12 by 100, 99 by 100, 52 by 100 and etc. Okay. Let us solve some more question related to hundredth. Okay. In this question also we have to write decimal numbers in words. So let's solve. So first we will write whole part here. So what is the whole part? 0. So write here 0. 0 point 0 again 0 0.06. We will write each and every digit of decimal part separately. In another way, we can also write like this: 0, first whole part, 0. But here we will not write point. We will write and. 0 and 6 hundredth. 6 hundredth. What is the meaning of 6 hundredth? Basically 6 by 100, or we can say 0.06. Okay. Now another example. 1. First we will write whole part. So 1.5 7. 1.57. In another way, we can write like this also. 1. We will not write here point. We will write and. 1 and 57. 1 and 57. But if we are writing here 57, it doesn't mean it is a whole number. Okay, for maintaining the difference between whole number and you can say decimal number or whole part or decimal part, we are writing here hundredth. 57 hundredth. Now what is the difference between 57 and 57 hundredth? So 57 means this and 57 hundredth means 57 by 100, or you can say in decimal form 0.57. That is the major difference between 57 and 57 hundredth. So let's solve more questions. Okay, in this question we have to write in decimal form. So let's solve it. First question, 3 hundredths. We have to write this in decimal form. 300. What does it mean? What is the meaning of 300? 3 hundredths. Or we can write this fraction in form of decimal. How? 0.03. That is your 300. Now, second part. 5 and 1200. We have to write this in decimal numbers. So write 5 is your whole part now. So write first here 5 and 1200. We have to write this one, separately. So 1200 is what? 1200. And we can write 1200 like this also. So we will write this in front of 5. So 5.12, or we can say 5 and 1200. Now that's it for today's class, and this one is your homework, and you have to do your homework in Fair Notebook, and please send your Fair Notebooks images for checking. I hope you will like this video, and I would like to say please like and subscribe my channel for further videos and notification, and kindly mention your name, class, roll number and section in comment box, because it will be considered as your attendance. Thank you.